loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have my final after Christmas clearance haul. I went to Walmart, I went to Michael's, I have one thing from at home stores and a couple things from Big Lots. So let's just jump into this so you can see the things that I picked up that you might want to run out and try to get. So the one thing from at home stores, and I know I just hauled a bunch of ribbon in my Joann Fabrics haul, was another spool of ribbon. This is 2.5 inch ribbon and it's 8 yards at $5.99 of Santa Claus. Look, isn't he cute? I didn't have any Santa Claus ribbon. There's little candy canes on this. It has wire in the ribbon, and so I picked this up. I do believe it was 70% off. I went there looking for a tree skirt, couldn't find a tree skirt, came out with one thing of ribbon. I did buy a couple other things, but they weren't after Christmas clearance, so we're gonna skip those. Then on to Big Lots. I didn't pick up a lot there. I bought a bunch of gift bags. I'm not gonna show you guys those. They're just gift bags. They were fairly cheap. If you're in the process of looking for gift bags and wrapping paper, Big Lots has it just like everywhere else. And no, it's more than 50% off at my stores. I'm pretty sure at this time of the year they're just trying to get rid of it. But I did end up picking up ribbon. I know, I can't help it. I use it a lot for my craft stuff. So I got buffalo check ribbon. I know I bought some at Joann Fabrics, but it was thinner than this one. It has wire in the ribbon and it was regularly $4. I do believe I got it for $2. It's 18 feet of ribbon on here, and so I thought that was a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. Also, here's a tip for you guys. Big Lots puts their fairy lights and they're like micro lights, the ones that I use all the time, on clearance. If they say their winter wonder on it or their holiday whatever, if they put that in the holiday packaging, they clearance them out for a little or nothing. So I ended up with 2 packs of the LED with the silver wire, 50 lights. DollarTrees are 20 lights. These were 75 cents a piece. You can't beat that. Plus these are the cool white that I really love. I use the yellow toned white too, but these are the cool white, so they're bright white and they're LED. 75 cents a piece. So check that out when you're in the store at Big Lots. They always clearance it if it says whatever holiday that just passed on it. So that is it for Big Lots, is one thing ribbon and the fairy lights, and then, you know, I said the gift bags if you want to go there and get those. Next, we're gonna go to Walmart. At Walmart, I picked up one ribbon. It's not holiday ribbon, it's a black and white stripe. I've been looking for thin black and white stripe ribbon because I ran out and no one seems to have it anywhere. But this was in their clearance aisle, I think because someone opened it and it's all taped up now. And so I ended up getting this for like 79 cents. It was really strange. This is 1.5 inch ribbon and it's 9 feet. They had a bunch of ribbon and yarn and stuff that people messed up over the holidays, I guess, in the actual clearance aisle, not with the Christmas clearance. So I ended up picking up just that one thing of ribbon. Then next I went over to their ornaments and I picked up several ornaments, but I'm going to use all of these for crafts. None of them are going to be to go on my tree. So first I picked up this little lantern. It has deer on it, and if you saw my haul from Joann Fabrics, you know I bought a lot of ribbon with deer on it. I don't know what it is about me and deer this year. Last year it was Little Red Truck, though I still love that too. But this year I've been getting a lot of things with deer on them, and so I picked up one of these and I really like it. It has little trees cut out in the top. I'm not going to leave it red when I go to use it for crafting. I'm sure I'm going to paint it, but I picked up one of those. And then all of the ornaments were at least 50% off. Any of them have prices on them. They all have their tags, but none have prices, which, come on Walmart, I can't remember the prices of all these things. But I do believe most of them that I picked up were between $1.49 and $2.49. So if you guys know the price of it, then yeah, half off at least of that. Then I picked up the little booties that everybody was using to make the gnome feet. Now I didn't put feet on my gnome, on any of my gnomes that I made. I did Christmas ones that everybody was watching this year. And then I made an angel gnome. These would be cute on the angel gnome, but they were gray with little white snowflakes. Now you can paint these. I've seen people paint them. I could have painted them white, but I didn't need to put feet on my gnome, so I didn't use it. But I ended up getting 3 altogether because I thought they'd be really cute for booties for like baby showers and stuff like that too. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for, but they were in high demand and they were half off. I think I paid $1 for these. I'm not sure. Maybe $1.25. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's pretty cheap. Then next I went over and I picked up one of these. It is a star made out of pine cones. It has little pine cones and pine on the front of it, and it's dusted with like some snowy glitter, and I really like this. They only had one, or I would have picked up more than one of these. I think it'd be really cute for DIYs later. Then I also picked up 2 of these. These are snowflakes, totally covered in snowy glitter, which is all over my island right now. And they have pine cones and a few berries and a few ribbons on them. So I picked up 2 of these, and definitely going to be in a DIY next year. However, definitely are covered with a lot of glitter. And then I picked up the prettiest ornament I have seen ever at Walmart, to me anyway. I wish they would have had more of these. It is gorgeous. And I picked up 1. It wasn't even right where the ornaments were, or else I would have picked up more than 1. Someone had discarded it over on another side, and I just happened to see it. I didn't even see this when it was at Walmart during the regular time when these were for sale, but I love this, and I'm definitely going to use this in some kind of DIY next year. I think I already have something in mind. I'm in love with that. Then, lastly, while I was over by the clearance section, I noticed that their Cricut stuff, which is by the clearance near where my store is, they had some clearance stuff. So I picked up this one glitter vinyl. It is 12 inches by 48 inches of glitter vinyl. It is like a black with a silver in it, so it makes it look kind of charcoaly gray. And it was $7.97 on clearance at my store. So I picked up one of those because you guys know I won a Cricut Explorer Air 2 from my girlfriend Ashley over at the Thrifty Chica here on YouTube. And I have been using it a little here and there, but I'm still learning that machine. So I haven't been bringing you guys any Cricut things yet. But I also picked up this pattern iron-on, and this one is called the Rustic Lodge Lumberjack Sampler. So it has black and red buffalo tack. How cool is that? Iron-on. And it also has like a black one too. There's 3 in here that looks like a wood grain, and then a white one that might be a birch wood grain. They're so small when they're showing you what's in there, so it's really hard to tell, and there's no possible way I could show you guys, but that's what's in that one. So that is it for Walmart. I didn't pick up anything else. I was looking at tree skirts there, and I couldn't find one that I liked, and I didn't really need anything else. So now we're moving on to my favorite finds of all time right now for this season, and that is at Michael's. So first, starting at Michael's, I did pick up this one little 2-pack of cardboard stickers. They are very glittery and shiny. It's like a foil cover, and you get 2 of them. They were $5. They were like $1.25 when I picked them up, or yeah, actually less than that, like 80 some cents, because they were 80% off. And so I ended up getting one of these, 80% off. Everything that I picked up from Michael's was 80% off, and then a couple of things were 80% off plus another 20% off, which were these. I picked up these little picks that I absolutely love. I got 4 of them all together. They are pine with like some icicle like glitter on them and little really pale pine cones. I really love these. I picked up 4, and they were regularly $4, so I ended up getting those 80% off plus another 20% off. So I think that made those like 60 some cents each. I'm in love with that. Then next I picked up these. These are purple peonies, and they were $7 a piece, so that made them $1.40 each. They have the kind of icy sparkle glitter on them and on their leaves. They only had 2 of them in this color, this purpley color, and I absolutely love them. So I picked up those. And then, sorry about my reach, I picked up these. These are like dahlias, I think. And it's such a pretty pale pink color. Again, covered with the sparkly glitter. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to cover my face so you can see the sparkly glitter on the leaves. $7, $1.40 a piece. They only had 2. Believe me, if they had more than 2 of these, I would have picked up all of them. They only had 2, and I picked up those. And speaking of picking up all of them, next I picked up these. These are definitely peonies, the more closed peonies. Every time I go to find these, they are very expensive. $7, still again covered in this kind of icy glitter. I don't care. I will use these all year round. They look so beautiful. And I could not believe that they had these for 80% off. 80% off. And so I picked up all they had, which was 7 altogether. I was so dumbfounded that these were still in the store. They were with the regular florals. They weren't with the Christmas stuff, but they considered them Christmas florals. They say Christmas Noel right on them. I don't know if they were in the wrong place so nobody looked over there, but I ended up getting 7 of those. If they would have had 30, I'm not kidding, I think I would have bought 30. Well, maybe not of those, but these last ones that I'm going to show you, the last thing in my haul, these gorgeous long stem roses. Look at this. Look at this rose. Look at that rose. Look how big that rose is. Look how beautiful that rose is. These were Christmas Noel. Why would these be Christmas Noel? They are like a satin and a velvet. I don't care. I'm going to use these all year round. I'm never going to cut these off of their stems. Look at how long these stems are. I really wish they would have had 12. I really wish they would have had 24. I would have bought them all. They had 9. And so I bought 9 of these. And I'm hoping and praying they have them next year. Because I even if they don't go on clearance, I'm going to get 4 more. $7 a piece. I think I can spend that for how cheap, $1.40 that I got each one of these. And then wait to see if they go on clearance after that and get another 12 because they are stunningly gorgeous. I know it might not make sense to you guys out there, but florals are expensive. When you can find them for this cheap, yeah, I'm going to pick them up. But that's it. That's all I got for this haul. My favorite thing, definitely all the florals that I got from Michael. Definitely the roses and these peonies. I can't even decide between the 2 of them. They're both stunning. They're both something that I'm going to use for years to come. I may take apart these and the other ones to use in DIYs, but those 2, they're probably staying on their stems the way that they came because the heads don't exactly pop off. You'd have to cut them to take them off. So let me know down in the comments section down below, what was your favorite thing that I hauled? Was it the florals? Was it these little booties? Was it the cricket stuff? Let me know. I'd like to know. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. We make a lot of cool things here. You need to check out my description box down below because I have an entire Wreath series that I did this past holiday season. Also, we find a lot of cool things here. I try to bring you guys hauls when I find great prices on great things. So yeah, go ahead. Hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that notification bell so you get notified each time that I upload because I am going to be bringing you guys a winter themed DIY and also a Valentine's theme one coming up shortly. And also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.